Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS app. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FBS and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.